In this video, I will show you how to download Canva for laptop PC. Open up the browser you are using. I will use Chrome. Type in the search bar, download Canva for PC. Push on this link, Canva for Windows desktop app, download for free. Then this purple button here, push on that. Canva setup is being downloaded to our PC. Go to your Downloads folder. Here is Canva setup, push on it twice. Canva is being installed to your computer. Open up Canva. Press on this purple button here, log in through browser, push on that. Your browser will open up. This message will pop up. Press Yes, continue to Canva app. Your Canva account on your browser will be usable from the Canva app now. And that's how you do it, guys. How to download Canva for laptop PC.